Absolutely, Anand. Please do stay on with us. I'll need your inputs on this other story that we are tracking. Union Minister Jitin Ram Manjhi has made a statement on Mukesh Sahani being announced as the Mahagathbandhan's deputy CM face. He said, and I quote, it was Lalu Prasad Yadav who took 35 MLAs to the governor and the president to remove Jitin Ram Manjhi from the chief minister's post. Jitin Manjhi is a Mahadalit. Today, they are offering a lollipop to Sahani. The NDA is going to form the government with a huge majority. Let's in fact listen into what he has stated.
कहा कि आप में क्या है कि आप ये किए हैं, आप किसी को प्रधानमंत्री का नाम देकर के आप कहिए कि हम प्रधानमंत्री बनावेंगे फलना को, तो इससे कुछ होना है क्या? आप खाली कहने से तो नहीं होगा। और जब पिछड़ा और अति पिछड़ा की बात करते हैं तो यही लालू प्रसाद जी थे जीतन मांझी को मुख्यमंत्री पद से हटाने के लिए राज्यपाल के यहाँ और राष्ट्रपति के यहाँ 35 विधायक लेके गए थे। तो जीतन मांझी समाज का सबसे निकृष्ट परिवार का है, महादलित परिवार का है, तो उसको इन्होंने जब हटाने की बात की थी तो आज सहनी को लॉलीपॉप दिखला।
Anand, we are now seeing that Jitin Ram Manjhi has in fact stated on this decision that has come. It was quite a surprise for everyone that the Mahagathbandhan actually chose Mukesh Sahani as the deputy CM face, and there were questions raised as to if the Grand Alliance was under pressure to do so.
Yeah, Shivani, look, the way in which Mukesh Sahni was announced as Mahagathbandhan's deputy chief minister is a demand that Sahni has been making for past few months, ever since he has joined the Mahagathbandhan camp. So clearly, today, while he's speaking to the media, Jitin Ram Manjhi, who is also union minister in the central government, and his party is a part of the NDA coalition in Bihar. So clearly, he took a jibe at the Mahagathbandhan, as he clearly mentioned that how it was Lalu Prasad Yadav, the RJD Supremo, who has taken 25 of his MLAs to the governor and also sent a letter to the President of India to remove him from the post of the Chief Minister when he was made the Chief Minister after Nitish Kumar has stepped down in Bihar. So clearly, he said that today by announcing Mukesh Sahni, they are only giving him a lollipop, as he too comes from a very backward community, that is the Manjhi community in the state, and as you mentioned that how the RJD has conspired to remove him from the top post, and by announcing Sahni, one of the candidates of the Mahagathbandhan as a deputy CM, so they are only giving him a lollipop. It means that they are only trying to woo him and to get the votes of the Mahadalits in the upcoming polls. Back to you.
Absolutely.